Being yourself changed me. I was very unhappy with every relation I was in. Even in my office, I used to find that everyone is against me. I used to feel that I am good for nothing. I was already divorced twice. But even in the third marriage, I was not happy. I had thought of leaving my job out of frustration. But then, if I would walk out even of this marriage, I needed the job to survive. I was under depression. I became sick and was almost bedridden. I saw a counselor. My counselor suggested me to take up a 2-day workshop on being yourself. I attended the Being Yourself, a 2-day life-transforming workshop. After taking up this workshop, my life changed. I am doing no follow-up or practice, yet the change is constant and growing since past 10 years after I completed the workshop. For past 10 years, I am very happy in every relation. I am very happy with my husband and in-laws. Today, I am a proud mother of 2 lovely girls. I feel free to do everything I want, and surprisingly, I do everything so well, that I get appreciation from all. Thanks to the Being Yourself designer and coach. You brought a life-changing transformation. You changed my life. To grab the opportunity to transform your life, call +91 7045832888 or visit https://multiversityofsuccess.in.